Hi, on this Wayne. Hey, take a look at these pictures as I talk, okay? You can kind of see the results of this. Got the Flambeau Outdoors Boss Buck. I'm telling you what, first day I went out and set this in the field, you can see it in the pictures here. I'm sitting in my ground blind, and a buck. It wasn't a trophy buck or anything, but not good size 6-pointer. Anyway, he come right into it. He come off of the Hodag licking stick that I put out. He was up there at that before dark. My camera my camera showed that, and a few minutes later he come walking right up towards my decoy, and he didn't get all the way to it. Something happened. Anyway, it was a good morning, and that thing just worked great. I'll get a more detailed video about it sometime, and yeah, it's great. It packs all within itself. It's got a shoulder strap to easily carry it, but I'm telling you, it drew that buck in. Go ahead and get it. Well worth it. Bye now.